Today I'm going to simplify the best ICT power of three trading strategy that is extremely profitable within the market. And for anybody that is new here, let me just break down exactly what I mean. So first off, you need to understand what a liquidity sweep is. And for example, if this is the market structure right here, what you can see is price is made this sort of double top area right here, or let's just call it a significant high within the market. And all that we're simply looking for is a run of this buy side liquidity. So that's going to look something like this. So this is going to break above like so. So price is going to come above like this. And what this is doing right here is enticing retail traders thinking that this right here is a breakout. So this is going to entice traders to go long, thinking that this is breaking out. Okay. Their stop losses are going to be in here. But the point is, their long orders are going to be providing fuel for the institutions to actually move price. Also, anybody that wanted to get short in this market prematurely, think logically on where their stop losses are going to be. You tell me, okay? If I want to short this market like so, where am I going to put my stop loss? I'm going to put my stop loss above the significant high. So anyone that is selling, or at least retail liquidity, is going to be resting above these highs because the sellers, their stop losses are going to be above here, and they're also going to be stopped out. So what you find happens is retail are trapped long, thinking this is a breakout. Also, any retail that is in this market too short, if their stop losses are too tight, which we know they always are, they're going to be stopped out. So really what it's only going to be is institutions and smart money that is taking advantage of this trade to the downside like so. So we're going to be capitalizing on this trade right here, which is shorting this market to the downside. And this leads me on to the power of three. So now that we understand what a liquidity sweep is, okay, the power of three is simply just an extension of what the liquidity sweep is. So this right here can be broken down into three main components. The first one is accumulation. So we need to spot the accumulation within the markets. So this is step number one, accumulation. So this is a range right here. And then what we see is number two, which is the manipulation. So we're manipulating this buy side liquidity right here. And then step number three is simply the distribution, and that is the trade right here that we are taking part in. So our entry is going to be somewhere in here within this manipulation, and we are looking at taking part in this distribution phase, which is shorting this market to the downside, as long as our bias is shorts on this market. So now let's just tie this all together and look at a live trade example. So right here, we are sell bias on this market. If we just zoom out, price is clearly moving from top left to bottom right. So, if you just draw this like so, you can see that clearly the direction of this market is to the downside. Therefore, we should only be looking for shorts to go with the trend. So looking right here, what we can see overnight, so during the Asian session, we have built up this liquidity right here. So we have an Asian session high, and we also have a low in the market right here. So we've identified step number one, which is the accumulation phase. Now we are looking for the manipulation of this phase right here, and then we can look for the distribution phase, looking to short this market to the downside because we understand that this is running the buy side liquidity. This provides the fuel for institutions to actually move the market in the intended direction. So let's play this on. Let's have a look at if price, what price does. You can see we are manipulating this buy side liquidity right here. So we're running all of these buy stops, also stopping out retail. Their stop losses are going to be above here. Okay. And now we're just looking for a bearish confirmation during the kill zone. Okay. So you can see we're entering into the London session, which is from 8 a.m. GMT up until 10 a.m. So we're waiting for a bearish close within the kill zone. You can see that's what we get right here. So our entry goes below on the break of this candle low. Invalidation goes above the liquidity sweep. Okay, and we're targeting around a 1 to 2 and for further continuation. So we are triggered in this trade right here. So we are triggered in short on this market. We've identified, okay, this is the accumulation. Let's just zoom in a little bit further. So, okay, this is the accumulation right here. This is the range. This is the manipulation. And our entry is within the manipulation. And then we're looking for the distribution phase to the downside. So you can see we're triggered in. During the London session, this trade smashes take profit, whether you're taking a 1 to 2 or whether you're targeting a 1 to 3, all of your targets are smashed on this trade, all within one trading kill zone. And a lot of traders, they don't have the patience to literally just wait for the kill zones because that is when the most amount of volume is going to come into the market. So you need to be patient, allow price to come to you, and then execute accordingly. And this right here is the result of your work if you do, follow your trading plan, if you do trade the power of 3, and if you do execute your rules accordingly. So you need to make sure it's extremely important that you stay mechanical within the market. It's extremely important that you follow your rules and that you allow price to come to you. Okay? If you do want free analysis and trade setups like this, then make sure to join the free Discord. The link is in the description down below. And also access to my official website. The link is also in the description down below. So make sure to check out my official website. The link is down below. Thanks for your time, guys. If you have any queries, drop them in the comments down below and I'll be more than happy to get back to you guys. Thanks for your time and I'll see you shortly. Take care. Bye-bye.